Hi there, my name is Tishujan, and welcome to International Schooling. Hi there, young artists. Are you ready for an art amazing journey? Because today we're going to learn about arts. Today we're going to learn elementary art grade K, module 1, lesson 1, line, American curriculum. Art is up, down, and all around. With a twist of your finger and a shake of your hand, you can create art. What pops into your head when you think of art? That's great! There are different elements of art. My favorite element is line. Come along and create lines with me. Be the artist. Lines can be anything you want them to be. See if you can find some lines in the next activity. Can you see any lines here? Let's circle it. Oh, maybe this is a line. Or this is a line. Also, maybe this is also a line. Let's see. In this lesson, we're going to learn about lines. For our lesson today, we're going to identify line as an element of art, identify different types of lines, and know that there are elements of art. Let's go! We're going to discuss first the elements of art with the help of our new friends. Meet your artist friends. They love the elements of art. The elements of art work together to help artists create artwork. Let's meet them. First, we have Laureline. Second, we also have Samshape. It's nice to see you and meet you, Samshape. We also have It's nice to meet you, Casat Color. And also Salvador Space. How about her? It's nice to meet you, Tamara Texture. How about him? It's nice to meet you, Frank Form. And of course, the last one. It's nice to meet you, Vincent Value. So these are our new friends, which will help us in understanding the concept of line. So this is our new friends, and there are the elements of art. Let us know now the use of the elements. The elements of art are the building blocks you need to create art. Check out this video to discover more about them. Let's watch this video together.
Welcome to the Art Cafe. Here we serve the very best art. That's because our recipes use the elements of art for our masterpieces. The 7 elements of art are line, shape, color, value, space, texture, and form. Let's take a closer look at each one. When creating artwork, you can add in wavy, straight, curved, or any type of line you wish. Give a dash of shape to your recipe with squares, triangles, or even circles. Swirl in color, like yellow, blue, or red. Bring in value to your creation by adding lightness or darkness. Spice things up by stirring in space using foreground and background. Toss in some texture to add feeling or look to your artwork recipe. Fold in form to give your masterpiece that length, height, and width. Voila! The elements of art work together to create fabulous artwork. That's why our cafe uses these magical ingredients to make every masterpiece magnificent. It's your turn! Join our art chefs to create your own masterpieces. Start off by pouring line, color, and form to create Romero Brito's flying fish sculpture. Look how cute it is! Next, shake in line, shape, and color to create Vasily Kandinsky's Composition 8. Well done! Finally, stir in line, shape, color, value, space, and texture to create Starry Night by Van Gogh. What a piece of artwork! Now you know the secret to creating a masterpiece. When you use the elements of art, they are sure to give you artfully delicious creations.
What a colorful video, right? So next time you look at a piece of art, see if you can spot one or more of the elements of art. What are the lines that you saw in the video? Maybe a straight line. On this part, we're going on a line adventure. Are you ready to go on a line adventure? Let's go on a trip of lines together. The line adventure. Oh, this path is made of two lines. Some lines are thick and some lines are thin. About a curved or a wavy line. When we say a curved line, it is a line that bends. But when we say a wavy line, it is a line that has curved bends. Can we spot a curved line? Oh, this one is a curved line. And also this one. How about a wavy line? A wavy line is like a wavy line. Maybe this is a wavy line. Or this is a wavy line. Great job. That's a great journey in line adventure. We can truly see lines in everywhere. We can see it in the park, in our house, and everywhere we go. That's so wonderful, right? Lines are everywhere. Lines are so much fun. We can do so many things with them. For example, make a line wiggle or curve a line like a rainbow, like in this picture. It's colorful, right? Or limbo with dashed line. Remember, when we say dash line, it is a line made up of dashes. On your imaginary line adventure, take your crayon, marker, or chalk and add in some curves and wiggles. Now we're going move to the groove. Get your lines moving. Let's watch this video about lines. Practice making lines with your body. How many ways can your body move to make lines? Come on, let's watch this video together.
Hi there, I'm Pablo Pencil. I'm here to show you something exciting. Come on, hop in. Let's go for a ride. Surf's up. I shred through the waves, going up, down, and side to side. Watch out for the sharks. Ah! And now, time for swirls. Ooh, I'm dizzy. But I really love to draw lines. Life would be pretty boring without lines. But what is a line exactly? A line is the path made by something that moves, like me. You know what else would be boring without lines? Art. There are so many lines to choose from. Lines can be straight like a street, or wavy like the water. They can be dashed like water droplets, or dotted like the dipper. Lines can be swirly like a spiral, or zigzagged like a zipper. Sometimes they are thin as a thread, or thick instead. Lines can run any which way, horizontally or vertically. In art, you can use many tools to create lines, from markers to pens, brushes, or chalk. They're all your friends. They really rock. You can use lines in your art. Even the master artists do. The lines in Piet Mondrian's paintings are all straight. But Vasily Kandinsky's lines are curved and squiggly and angled. They're all great. What kind of lines will you use to make art?
What a great video, right? Now, it's your turn to practice with lines. First, move your body in a straight line. That's good. Second, move your body in a curved line, like this one. Curved line. Or like in the video below, a curved line, right? Or we can move in a zigzag line, like in this video, a zigzag line. That's great. You're doing good. We will now learn about the different types of lines. Follow that line. A line is a mark that can be made by a pencil, pen, chalk, brush, or another drawing tool. There are different types of lines. Check out these lines. We're going to use this line anchor chart to learn more about the different types of lines. First, we have a straight line, a line that does not bend or curve. But when we say curved line, it is a line that bends. We also have thin line and thick line. A thin line is a skinny line, and a thick line is a wide line. What about a wavy line? A wavy line is a line that has curved bends, and a dotted line is a line made up of dots. And lastly, we have a dashed line, a line made up of dashes. And she is lower line. A line is marked that can be made by a pencil, pen, chalk, brush, or another drawing tool. Remember, we have different types of lines and we can see them everywhere we see. That's so great, right? It's great, right? Now, did you know that different tools can create different lines? Different art tools create different types of lines. You can also make different kinds of lines with the same kind of tool. A paintbrush can make thin lines, thick lines, or even wiggle lines. How cool is that? This time, let's get our art on and draw lines. Can you find a thin line? Maybe this is the thin line. Okay, let's change the color of our pencil. Maybe this one is a thin line, or this one is a thick line. How about a wavy line? Can you find the wavy line? Can you find a wavy line? Oh, this is a wavy line. How about a curved line? Maybe this one is a curved line. Great job, young artists. Now that you know the different type of lines, it's time to wrap up our art adventure. What a great experience. Remember, little explorer, that lines bring your art to life. They zigzag and zip across your page like lightning. They slip and slide down your picture. Line is an element of art that helps artists like you. Now to check your understanding, let's answer this activity. Line, color, and shape are good job. It is elements of art. Correct. How about this one? This is a very good. A wavy line. How about this one? You can show how you feel in your art by good job drawing different kind of lines. You're doing good, little artist. Very good. Congratulations. Good job, young artist. Remember, line can be everywhere. And we can see different types of lines. It can be a straight line, a curved line, or a wavy line, or it can also be a zigzag line. Thank you for joining me. I'm Teacher John. Thank you for joining me here at International Schooling. See you in our next lesson. Goodbye.
International Schooling, the best online school.